Hello everyone, I welcome you to this tutorial. My name is Delisopiri and we're going to be designing this simple food flyer in PixelLab. So let's get started. Let's hide this thing, okay? And let's delete this text. So the first thing we're going to do is to change the resolution size or the image size, okay? So with this, your width is going to be 850, height 1200. Press OK. So this is the size we're going to be using. So go to color, we create a background, and go to gradient. Don't go to color but go to gradient. Okay, press the plus icon, then there are 6 boxes on top. Choose the fourth one here. Okay, there we have it. So tap on this thing here, okay, and go to this icon that looks like a bucket. We've got a color wheel here. I want you to choose a red color. Choose a red color. Okay, and then drag the second thing here to the far end and come to the first one and move it right here. Okay, press OK. So go to the second one. This is the second thing here. Go to the bucket again. Okay, so this time you choose your red color again from the color wheel. Drag it. Don't go to the far end this time. Just leave it right here. Then the first one, drag it to the far end now. Okay, so we are not yet done. We're almost done with the background. So move this thing, this thing here, drag it. It should be aligned with this icon that is below it. Okay, press OK. So this is the background. You can tick. We are done with the background. Now let's import the images we're going to be using for this design. Okay, don't worry, I'll send all the resources I was using for this design. So this is the beggar. Let's reduce the size. Use this thing to reduce this. Don't do this, you are stretching it if you use these other ones. So use this. Okay, so let's align it to the center. Okay, let's lock the beggar. Let's import the glass of Coca-Cola. Okay. So let's rotate using this thing that I'm clicking on here. Rotate it like this. Okay, then take it to the back here. Take it to the back here. Okay, let's move it a bit to the right. Okay, so we can lock it as well. So let's import our logo, the Aroma City logo. Click yes, don't crop anything. Okay, so go to color and change the enable it and change the color to white. Okay, then reduce the size. Click here and reduce it. Okay, move it a bit up. Shouldn't be near the edge. Okay, so we're good. So the next thing we're going to do is to add some text to the design. So click on the plus icon there on top, click on text. So there we have it. This is a new text. So go to this a icon, edit, delete, and write test the aroma. This is our first text of the design. Okay, drag it over here. It should be aligned with the logo, the Aroma City logo. Okay, so go to font and change your font to Monsterrat Black. Monsterrat Black, my font. So don't worry, I'll send all the resources including the fonts that I use for this design. Okay, so go to line spacing after changing the font. Okay, so having done that, go to color. I want you to, we're going to change the word aroma to orange. The word aroma to orange only. Okay, so this is how I got the orange color. It's already here, I know, but I want you to know how I got the color. So press on the plus icon, go to your dropper here, this thing that looks like a dropper, not a pencil but a dropper here. Okay, then choose your logo, the Aroma City logo. There are some images we've imported, so choose your logo. Okay, so this is where I got the orange color. Click there and tap OK. So this is how I got the color. We are going to insert another text. Okay, drag it over here and edit it. This time we're going to write of the capital B beggar with a ice cold Coca-Cola, full stop. Okay, press OK. So this is how you're supposed to write your text. So let's move the beggar and the glass of Coca-Cola a bit down. Okay, we're good. So let's reduce text size. Okay, and drag it over here. Okay, over here. So go to line spacing before we change the font. Line spacing -5 is okay. So go to your font and change this font to Monserrat regular. Monserrat regular. Okay, let's reduce the text again. Okay, so let's make sure everything has been aligned. Let's also move the Aroma City logo. It should be aligned with the text. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do right now is to add some shadow effect to the beggar. So go on this plus icon, click on sticker. Okay, if I tick it, it disappears. So what I'll do is this: click on the plus icon again, choose sticker, tap on your layers panel here. Okay, tap on this small pencil here and copy. Okay, so we've got two, we can delete one. So there we have it. We have this sticker. Drag it over here beneath the beggar. Okay, and stretch it. Now we're not going to use this big size. You're using these small dots. Okay, follow me closely as I do it, don't get lost. Okay, you can change the color of the sticker to white to black. Change it to black. Okay, so we can copy it, copy the same shadow and drag it. Okay, there should be two. Okay, so let's align them. Both shadows should be aligned. Okay, let's go to the layers panel, choose the first one. Should be aligned. Okay, there we have it. So we can lock the shadows. The next thing we're going to do is to copy this text, the aroma text, copy it, edit. Okay, write order now, capitalize everything by clicking on these T's that are on top. Okay, so drag it, make sure it shouldn't be like this, but use small dots to make them like this. Okay, then let's go to align, and change the alignment to center alignment. Okay, reduce the text size. Let's reduce it. Okay, 17 is okay. Okay, this is okay. So let's insert a shape. So go to shapes and you click on the plus icon on top there. Okay, we're going to choose the shape. Okay, so before you click on that tick in button, I want you to change the color to orange. Okay, then you can click now. We can rotate it by clicking here now, not these dots, not the three dots, but clicking on this thing that looks like a cave. Okay, so we can reduce the size of this shape by clicking on this big dot. Okay, let's now move the shape. Let's reduce the size. So there we have it. So we're going to copy this text again. Okay, copy that text, copy, edit. We are going to write the social media handle for this brand, Aroma, in small letters, Aroma underscore city. Press OK. So you can drag it over here and reduce the size of this text to 12. Okay, then go to style and make this bold. Okay, okay, we are almost done. So the next thing you're going to do is to copy the same Aroma city handle text. Okay, go to edit. We are going to put social media icons using a font called Social Cycles. I'll send it as well in the resource pack for this design. So go to your font, change the font. Okay, so Social Cycle. So there we have it. Change the color to orange. Let's move it. Okay, move it. Okay, you can copy the same icon, edit, delete. Instead of writing I, you'll see this, it will bring you an old icon of Instagram, but I don't want this icon, so let's delete it. Select the $sign, this S. Okay, so this is a modern Instagram icon we're going to have, so we can move it. It should be together with the Facebook icon. Okay, let's just move the Facebook icon as well. Okay, so we are almost done. Let's copy the Aroma city text again, copy it, edit. This time you're going to put this symbol, should be the last thing you're going to put in our design. Okay, so therefore there we have it. So we can move them and put them here where the baker and the glass of Coca-Cola is. Okay, so we are good. This is our design. Okay, the next thing I want you to do, tap on the text again. You're going to add another text. This time I want you to write designed by, you write your name, so I'll write DP Enterprises. Okay, I want to change the font, I'm not comfortable with this. So we are done, but this is the way I want you to present your assignment. Okay, reduce text, shouldn't be this big, should be at least at 14. Centralize it using the relative position. Okay, so I want to make this designed by a bitboard, so go to style. Okay, there we go. Just set 12 is okay. Centralize it. So this is our design. So the next thing we're going to do is to save it. Click here, save as project, so I should be able to edit it in case you made a mistake somewhere. So you can write your name if you want, Daliso Piri. So okay, it's done. So now let's save it as an image. Okay, so go to dimension and change the dimension to ultra. You will get your highest quality, and don't change the format, leave it like that. JPEG or no transparency, leave it like that. So click save to gallery. Okay, so our design is ready. This is the way I want you to present your design. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully to see your assignment through soon. Thank you.